Part 4. Number 3. Bringing your own hard liquor or beer. Sure, a bottle of your favorite whiskey might seem like a budget saver, but most cruise lines prohibit or severely restrict outside alcohol to control consumption and boost their bar sales. Carnival, for example, allows 1 bottle of wine per adult, but bans spirits. Why? Overindulgence leads to rowdy behavior, health issues, or smuggling attempts that complicate customs. If caught, your booze gets held until disembarkation, or worse, poured out. Instead, buy drinks on board. Many have affordable packages, or enjoy the free juices and coffees. This mistake can hit your wallet hard if you're expecting to sip on the cheap. Number 2. Drones. These flying cameras are awesome for aerial shots, but they're banned on most ships, including by Royal Caribbean and Disney, due to privacy concerns, safety risks like interfering with navigation, and port regulations. A drone could crash into passengers or the ship, or violate no-fly zones in sensitive areas. Security will take it away and you might not get it back. Want epic views? Use your phone or the ship's photographers. Or check if your itinerary allows drone use in specific ports with permission. And finally, number 1. Coffee makers or hot plates. These small appliances seem harmless for brewing your morning joe, but they're outlawed by lines like Frommer's List and Carnival because of, you guessed it, fire and electrical hazards. Ships aren't wired for personal heaters, and a malfunction could endanger everyone. Plus, cafes are everywhere on board. Skip this and enjoy the ship's endless coffee options instead.